How to create a new TikTok account even if you already have one. Now, it's going to be a quick tutorial and easy process. So first, open up your TikTok application, and at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see Profile. Tap on Profile, and then at the top right hand, tap on the three lines, and then go into Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom part, and then choose on Log Out. Now in here, just simply choose on Not Now. And then once you have fully logged out into the current account that you used, you can now then go back into the profile section. And in here, you can choose to log into the same account, or you can choose on add another account. You could also choose on sign up. Let's just choose on sign up first. Now in here, you can input any phone number that you use, continue with email, different Facebook account, and a different Google account as well. So choose either of those options for you to be able to create a new account even if you have one, and that is how it should be done.